Okay, I recorded way too much, so this is going to look like a bad movie where the lips don't match the language, but that is okay. So Sunki sent me this 24-inch flat mop. It is a heavy-duty microfiber wet mop. I also used it as a dry mop. You'll see that in a minute. It is so great. It came in this box. I had no idea what it was going to look like because the box was so small. You just screw it together, clip on the base. It has a really simple fastener, clicks right together, and then the bottom of it is Velcro. So the Velcro on the bottom of the mop grabs right onto the back of the pad and easily can be peeled off, thrown in the washing machine, and a fresh one put on. So I'm going to give this thing a whirl. I really can't handle things that are heavy because I have a bad shoulder. So here I go. I'm going to zoom around my foyer quickly. It really does glide nicely too. I can't wait to try it out when I'm actually cleaning. So as I'm zooming around, coming closer, lift this thing up. It is covered in hair. It's actually very gross. So I would say this thing's a win, and you can easily take it apart and put it back in the box. You really can't beat the price, so check it out, get yours in the link below.